Ngenyanga eyedlule umphakathi wasogwini oluse-West Coast Fishing oziphilisa ngokudoba izinhlanzi wafaka amaphepha efuna inkantolo ukuba ivimbele uhlelo lokuthungatha iGAS kulendawo. Nebala inkantolo yasivuma lesicelo. Inkampani yase-Australia yafaka esinye isicelo ifuna inkantolo iguqule isinqumo sayo. Lesicelo sachithwa. Kwabe sekubekwa usuku lokulalela izethulo nempikiswano ngohlelo lokuthungatha iGAS kulendawo.
The court upheld the order saying that seismic surveys cannot continue until we have heard the matter has been heard properly in the court. That process, which was supposed to happen on the 7th, is now going to happen on the 24th of February. The Green Connection feels that from an environmental and climate justice perspective, we need to take the bigger picture. We should not be looking for oil and gas.
Umnyango wezamagugu ambiwayo namandla kanye nesikhungo iPetroleum Agents SA okuyiso esigunyaza ukumbuya nokukhiqizwa kwayela negas basola ngokungaxhumani nomphakathi othintekayo. Kepha iPetroleum Agents SA iyaziphika lezi nsolo. Ithi yona yathola isicelo sokuthungatha igas sivela kulenkampani iSearcher. Yasicubungula yabe seyenza izincomo emnyangweni wezamagugu ambiwayo namandla. Okuyiwona-ke umnyango owanika inkampani imvume.
As a regulator whose interest it is to make sure that our petroleum prospectivity is developed and that we restore our energy security as a country. As you know, we import all our crude oil requirements, we import all our gas. So it is in South Africa's interest that the industry develops.
Izinhlangano zomphakathi zisamile kwelokuthi ikusasa alincikile sidalo kugas nakuwoyela.
Gas is a fossil fuel. Climate change is caused by fossil fuels. So while gas is being reputed along with nuclear energy to be part of a just transition towards addressing climate change and becoming climate resilient, in fact, gas and nuclear energy are not going to meet the needs of South Africans. They are going to continue to increase our emissions and create dangerous, expensive and unnecessary energy systems.
Icala lizoqhubeka ngoLwesine oluzayo. Inhlangano yabadobe bezinhlanzi eWest Coast izomela ngu-Advocate Thembeka Ngcuka Yithobi kuthi Advocate Rami Mhlawumhle SC amele iSearcher.